everyone, my name is Ratika Bothra and welcome to my channel Smart Learning. The first trick that we are going to take today is multiplication trick by 11, the number 11. So let's see what the trick is. I'll take any number, let's say 23. अब देखो 23 को आपको 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो तो you can use your standard ways, but that will take time. I'll show you a small trick how can you multiply directly by 11. So ये 2 और 3 है, so अब 2 और 3 लिखो और ये 2 digit number है तो इसके बीच में there will be 1 digit. So what will be the digit here? It will be nothing but the addition of the extreme digits. जो बाहर के digits है 2 और 3 उसका आप sum करके आप यहाँ लिख दो. So if you have calculators in your hand, you can directly check 11 multiplied by 23 is 253. I'll again repeat, this 5 is nothing but addition of the extreme digits, that is 2 and 3 in this case. Easy, right? That's the simplest way where you can really calculate fast, but this trick will only work with 11. I'll take one more example. Let's say 11 into 54. I'm sure अभी तक आप लोगों ने दिमाग में कर लिया होगा, but let's see how is it done. I'm writing the extreme digits 5 and 4, and since it's a 2-digit number, there will be 1 digit in between this, and it will be, absolutely, you guessed it right, it will be 9, which is what? 5 plus 4. Easy, right? So I'll give you one practice question which will be coming up on your screen. I'll give you 10 seconds. I know that is a lot of time, but do it quickly and do it fast. So the question up on your screen is right up here. Okay, I hope everybody got this right. It was simple. But what if middle में single digit ना हो? For example, let me take 11 multiplied by 76. मैंने आपको पहले बोला कि 7 और 6 को एक्सट्रीम रखो और यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट आना चाहिए. So it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. कुछ भी आ सकता है. But what if it is more than 9? Because हमें तो एक ही digit चाहिए यहाँ पे. So what I'll do is simply as we did before, 7 plus 6 is 13. This 13 is 7 plus 6, right? But we need 1 digit number here. So what I'll do is मैं 6 को तो 6 के जैसे ही रखूँगी, 3 भी वैसे ही रहेगा. जो पहला वाला नंबर होगा, जो एक्सट्रीम डिजिट होगा, उसको तो हम वैसे का वैसे ही रख देंगे. So what I'll do is I'll add this 1 to 7. That is 7 plus 1, 836. So 11 into 76 is nothing but 836. Only thing you have to remember here is जब 2-digit number हो तो बीच में single digit ही आता है. So I'm adding this 1 up here. So let me take one more example up to you. 11 into 85. Right? You can try. Let's see. I'll put 8 here. I'll put 5 here. And I need 1 digit number here. But when I add 8 and 5, I'll get here as 13 again. Because now see, 5 तो 5 ही रह गया. मैंने आपको इस पे भी बोला कि 3 तो 3 के जैसा ही रह जाएगा. I'll add this 1 up here, that is 935. So 11 multiplied by 85 is 935 here. तो आप ये याद रखो, जब 2-digit number हो तब बीच में single digit आता है. जब 3-digit number होगा जब बीच में 2 digits number आएंगे. I'll show you the 3-digit number also, but before that, with this technique, I'm showing you write up a practice question. Do it in 10 seconds and see if you understood it. If you did not understand, you can write down in the comment section below, or you can rewatch this entire thing you'll understand it. So let's do the practice question, and the question up is on your screen. I hope you were able to solve the practice question. It was very simple. Now I'll show you how to multiply when we have a 3-digit number. So it's similar way, don't stress out. बड़ा ही simple सा technique है as we use in 2-digit number. So 6 और 4 extreme है right यहाँ पे. So I'll just put 6 here and 4 here. Cool. Now अब मैंने बोला था 2 डिजिट नंबर है तो बीच में एक ही डिजिट आएगा. यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट नंबर है सो बीच में 2 डिजिट्स आएंगे. राइट. सो व्हाट विल बी द 2 डिजिट्स? सेम वे जैसे आपने वहाँ पे ऐड किया था, आप यहाँ पे भी ऐड करोगे. 6 + 2 8, 4 + 2 6. So 11 multiplied by 624 is nothing but 6864. Simple. I'll take one more example to make it clear for you guys. Suppose 11 multiplied by 125. I'll do it. You also guys do it in your hands. Hence, so 1 and 5 are in the extreme, and in between we'll need 2 digits, right? अब वो 2 digits क्या होंगे? 1 + 2 3 and 5 + 2 7. So 11 multiplied by 125 is 1375. Simple, right? So any number of digit you take, you can do it in a similar fashion by just multiplying the digits. And if it's 4-digit number, we'll have 3 digits in between and so on. So based on this technique, I'll again show you a practice question. Please try to attempt it correctly. And here is up your practice question on your screen. So finding it easy, I hope you got your practice question right. Now I'll show you 3-digit number multiplication where we have to carry forward. So let's say 11 into 652. जैसे आपने 2 डिजिट पे कैरी ओवर किया था वैसे ही आपको 3 डिजिट नंबर पे भी कैरी ओवर करना है. So 6 and 2 एक्सट्रीम डिजिट को तो हमेशा एक्सट्रीम में ही रख दो. We don't have to deal with it unless and until necessary. So now we need only 2-digit numbers. So first here we'll place this addition. 6 + 5 is 11 and 5 + 2 is 7. अब ये तो 2-digit number है, हमें यहाँ पे 1-digit number चाहिए, right? So what I'll do is, ये तो 2 सही है, 7 भी सही है, 1-digit number. I'll keep this 1 and I'll add this 1 to 6. So that is 6 + 1, 7. So 11 into 652 is 7172. I'll take one more example to make things clearer for you. Let's say 11 into 429, or let's say 428, right? So what will happen is 4 and 8 को तो हमने extreme में रख दिया and we need 2-digit number here. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 4 + 2 6. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 8 + 2 10. अब this is fine, this is fine, this. अब ये 2-digit number. To make it a 1-digit number, I'll put 8 here. 0 तो 0 के जैसा ही आ जाएगा, क्योंकि जो एक्सट्रीम में होता है वो वैसा का वैसा रह जाएगा और उससे जो पहले वाला नंबर है वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा. तो 6 + 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 7 and here it is 4. So that is 4708. So 11 multiplied by 428 is nothing but 4708. I hope this calculation trick was easier for you and you can do in any number of digits. Like you have 4-digit number, you have 5-digit number. Try and practice at home. But with a 3-digit number, I'm going to show you a practice question right. So that's all for the video of today, multiplication trick by 11. On the next video, there is something more interesting coming up. Stay tuned to the channel, and if you really like the content, if you think that this content was really helpful and useful to you, please like, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And of course, practice these tricks regularly to get a heck of it. See you in the next video. This is Ritika Bothra. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.